I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. My name is Yanni and I'm here at Greenhouse Effects. I'll be showing you how to pour and fill out the batter on the grill. Alright, first of course, gotta make sure you have the right amount of oil. See this right here, we're going to put only 4 pumps, which is about an equivalent to a ladleful. Start with 4 pumps. Put that back in the slot. And this tool, we actually just made it here. Special purpose of spreading the crepe batter nice and perfectly around the grill. Gotta be careful not to scrape it off the sides, or else when you're scraping off the crepe, you get stuck to the grill. Gotta be careful not to press down too hard, or else it'll rip the crepe. Right here, special tools can be used pretty good. Can't find anything, usually you can just use the ladle to spread the crepe around.